Flood warning in effect from this evening through late tonight. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Swatara Creek above Middletown. When? Until just after midnight tonight. Impacts at 11.0 feet. Minor overbank flooding begins near the Vine Street Bridge downstream to the Susquehanna River. At 12.0 feet, both banks overflow upstream of the Vine Street Bridge and several basements are affected. Additional details, at 6:45 p.m. Friday the stage was 10.9 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 11.1 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage this evening. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Here is the latest national